Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best grill cleaners. So let's get started. Number 7. Kona Safe Clean Grill Brush. Rather than cut bristles, this brush has coiled metal wires that scrape the grill clean. Because the wires don't move or bend, this is a brush that will last a long time, and you'll never find bristles missing from the brush. This stiff brush doesn't bend very much to fit between the grates, but the unique design lets you hold the brush at different angles to clean the surface of the grill grates as well as the sides of each rod. The handle is designed to be the perfect length to keep your hands away from the heat, and you can use it with both hands to apply extra pressure on tough, encrusted food. Number 6. Kona 360 Degrees Clean Grill Brush. 3 brushes in one will clean your grill quickly, cleaning the top and sides of the grill grate rods with each swipe, and even fitting between the rods to get to the underside of the grates. The stainless steel hard-wired bristles are more rigid than your typical bristles, so they won't bend or break with normal use while getting your stainless steel, cast iron, or porcelain grates spotlessly clean. The 18-inch length will keep your hands away from the heat of the grill, while still allowing you to use both hands to apply extra pressure to clean stubborn bits of burned-on food. Number 5. Weber 12-inch 3-sided grill brush. A simple brush that won't break your budget, this still does a great job on your grill grates. The single wide brush fits neatly between grates to get stubborn food stuck to the sides, or tip it to use the corners to get into tight spots. A hanging loop lets you hang this on a convenient hook, so you can keep it close to the grill when you need it. The brushes are made from stainless steel, so they won't rust or corrode. When cooking is done, this is easy to rinse clean. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Electric Grill. Great for those who do their grilling indoors using an electric grill or non-stick grill pan. The bristles are soft, flexible, and completely safe for all of your non-stick cookware, while the bristles fit neatly into the grooves of your ridged grill. A silicone wiper blade lets you scrape off difficult bits of food without damaging your cookware. The handle is comfortable to hold and gives you a secure fit, even if your hands are wet and soapy. While this should not be used for outdoor grills, it's safe for use up to 600 degrees, so you can start cleaning your electric grill while it's still hot from cooking. Number 3. Grillinator 18 BBQ Grill Brush. A long, 14-inch handle and a unique brush head design make this grill great for all your outdoor cooking, even when you're cleaning a large grill. The grill head has brushes that are oriented in 2 different directions, and the bristles are 2 different lengths, so they clean the top of the grates and between the rods at the same time. A scraper at the end of the brush lets you scrape off any stubborn bits of food that won't release easily. The hole on the handle lets you hang the brush on a convenient hook, so you can keep the brush near your grill or hang it in the garage. Number 2. Grill Dozer Steam Cleaning Grill. No need to dip your brush in water as you clean your grates. The Grill Dozer has a built-in pump system that sprays water onto the hot grill as you scrub, creating steam for superior cleaning. The tool is 23 inches long, and its 3-sided brush makes it easy to clean both the grilling surface and in between grill grates. There's a button on the handle that allows you to quickly release a stream of water, and the stainless steel bristles and metal scraper make quick work of caked-on food. Plus, the brand sells replacement heads for the handle for when the bristles are worn down. Number 1. BBQ Grill and Grate Cleaner. The interior and grates are probably the toughest places to clean on your grill. Finding a product that can get these spots looking fresh without leaving a cloud of chemicals behind isn't always easy. But this grill cleaner from BBQ can certainly do the job. In the bottle, you get 24 fluid ounces of formula. The phosphate-free formula works to clean the grates and cooking surface. Spray it on the area after the grill has cooled down and leave it for several minutes before scrubbing off. Rinse cooking surfaces well before using.